You might have read that over half of UK homeowners are thinking of extending their homes at the moment. So you've been asking, what does that mean for you as a homeowner? Well, it's several things really. You're going to want to look at how you want to convert or extend your home. You're going to extend into the loft, a kitchen extension, side extension, maybe even an office in the garden, a home office, or a granny annex, for instance. Now, one of the key things to do here is find out how you can do it with or without planning permission. So go to the local authority or the government's planning portal website and find out what your permitted development rights are and see what you can do there. Go to some really good Facebook groups or local forums where you can talk to individuals who are doing it already. There's some really good self-builder sites out there that you can look at and find out what the implications are for you to do this work. So you're going to have to think about how much you want to spend on it, how much time you want to spend on it, how it's going to disrupt your family or yourself in your home, and also, really importantly, what value is it going to add to your home. Now that takes me on to another bit, that if you're thinking of finding a house where you can extend, so an undeveloped house which has opportunity, it's good to understand what you can do to a house before you look to purchase it and find one that has great opportunity to it. So if you go to our website, www.build-build-build.co.uk, and the link is on the screen afterwards, we can run you through all of these things that would be useful for you to know to show you what opportunity there may be in the house you're going to buy. So I hope that's been really useful. There's lots of opportunity out there, either within your own home or within a home you might want to buy. Check out our website and good luck with everything.